So now we're going to look at how to do a landing page, specifically a featured area page. So this lets you pick an area that you can add to your Lofty on your website and stuff and target that area for advertising. Such as I'm in the San Antonio area, I could target San Antonio, Converse, the Lotus, Birdie, any area you can target a specific area and everything available in that area. So when you click, again, you're in, first you have to go to your Lofty, not your website, go to marketing, and then on the left under tools, landing pages, and then click on featured area page. Now when you click on the drop down, it's going to give you all the featured area pages that you have loaded up. If you don't have any, then there won't be any in there. Crazy how that works. So I'm going to show you to check if there's any. This is at the top, so I'll just click it. So I'll just go like that. Now it says that URL already exists, so I'll just grab a different one just because I was practicing showing some other stuff before. So to check if you have a featured area page, you go to the top and click website. And then once you go to website, you're going to click again. If your website name just shows up in a box, click on that and it'll take you here. Then go settings. And then once you do settings, you see on the right here, it says, on the left, sorry, on the left it says featured areas. And here are the featured areas. So if I wanted to add a different one, I would click add new area, and then I would just type it in, such as Converse. And then you want to make sure you click the postal code. So Converse, Texas postal code. The reason is you can select all these subdivision pieces at the same time. So then you have all the different areas in the neighborhoods, 20 different neighborhoods in Converse. And then hit OK. Now that's added to my featured areas. So now when I go here, if I didn't want to do, for example, Sage Oaks and Bernie, if I wanted to do a featured area page in Converse, I would click featured area. And here I can just type Converse. And there it is, starting to load up, Converse, Texas. And then my page name would be Converse area page. There it is. And then I just hit the save button. And then once I hit the save button, it's going to load up again like we showed you last time. You're probably going to have these three little buttons again. Now this one I can publish right away. If I don't want to, I can check out my settings, check out here if I want to change any of the wording, like the settings and all that, lets you know what kind of lead it is, all that kind of stuff. See right here, it's going to register Google, Facebook if you have your SEO set up. And you see all this. If you have your Google Analytics, you can drop in the tracker here, your Facebook pixel. You can put the tracker here as well under page tracking. This is great so that you can know where the people are coming from looking at your page. And then you're able to go here, check out all your different stuff. I recommend not playing too much in here if you don't know what you're doing, because you can screw up pretty easy and make your thing look really horrible. So make sure you're paying attention and don't do it wrong. So then it'll be set up that way. So once it looks good and if you've done your tracking, whatever you want to do, there's your basic info. You can change it. And then after I do that, I'm going to hit publish. Once I hit publish, I'm going to post to social, again, like I showed you last time, just so you can grab that link. This is the easy way to do it. I'm going to copy that link. And then once I copy the link, I'm just going to paste it in a new tab. This way I can make sure that it works and it's going to actually give me some properties. And then here it is, all some great opportunities in Converse showing up. And then it gives you a good rundown. Average sale price, median sale price. And then of course, if you're like me and you're not a lead, it's going to make you kick in. And this is what your clients would see, which is great. Full email, phone number, add email, name, phone number, email, easy. Knock it out, drop it in, you can send to it. Great, let's knock it out. And then they would see all the homes they could go through and browse Converse. Now, if you want to do this to advertise with it, like I've showed you before, you jump other videos, you just go to, I use Facebook to show easy. If you go to facebook.com and it says what's on your mind, you just paste it. And then once you paste it, it's going to give you some kind of preview like right here. And then I would highlight the whole link, not letter by letter, the whole thing has to be done that way. And then you delete it and say something like, are you looking for a home near Converse or 78109? Or near the military bases, whatever you're targeting for your kind of advertising. And then you would put out your message and then you would drop it in here. And when someone clicks on it, it would open up that multi-property squeeze page we built here, which is your featured area page. It looks nice, very simple, very easy, only shows Converse. As you can see, it looks really clean. People can search and it makes them automatically catch in. Very easy to do. You see it took us 5 minutes to go in there and click it. Now, if you don't have your featured area page when you go to your website like we showed in here, a lot of times, depending what broker you're from, some brokers will make you have a, like he has his own subdomain, whatever. Some people will make you have your own subdomain. Some don't. To check that, then you just go here when you're back on your main lofting onto the website, and you hit the little question at the top. Get my bar out of the way. Hit the question, and then you just hit submit a ticket. And then once it happens, you hit contact us, live chat. And then you just put your message in there, whatever your question would be. Like, hey, I need to add my featured area page on my website. And then if they can, they'll add it in there, or they'll tell you to get a subdomain, whatever you need to do. It's that easy to add them in there. It's really important when you do your initial setup to get that done. Hope that helps. Talk to you in the next video.